Okay, so last night the wheels came off the wagon. So right now it's the next day, Sunday. I was sleeping here. I know it looks like a mess, but it's only a disguise because what's underneath there is my camera and all my stuff. The hardware store is only 2 blocks away. So what I want to do is go buy epoxy, putty, and buy clamps, and then fix it, and then get the hell out of here. So right now it's under a disguise, so it looks like someone's inside, but it's not. So no one really is going to mess with it. I've been standing on a corner over there for about an hour, and the results are that, yeah, everyone sees it, but they're not touching it. So it's only going to take me about 10 minutes at most, maybe 15 minutes at most, to come back and go. I'm pretty quick at walking. It's only 2 blocks away. Shouldn't take me no more than 10 minutes. But we're going to try to fix the wagon with epoxy and a bracket. Something more like how the walk sign uses, but a smaller form factor. You see, like this clamp here, we need one of those, but a smaller size, for a good reason. All right. With that said, we got an hour to the hardware store opens, then we can go.